So mabilis lang ang video na to. At the end of this video, we're gonna be giving away these 3 boxes. Konti lang muna. We're gonna taste it, guys. Prove to you kung paano naging no-fail cocktail ang mga products natin. Wow! So we were invited by Tanduay Distillers. Prove to you kung paano naging no-fail cocktail ang mga products natin from Tanduay Distillers. So if you notice, guys, meron tayong 3 pitchers dito sa likod natin. 1 liter pitcher, 750 milliliter, 500 milliliter pitcher. Very plain and simple. You mix yung no-fail cocktail natin with the water. So nagkakaroon siya ng variety of proof. Now this is 100% proof. Now if we mix it with a 1 liter pitcher of water, it's gonna become a 20% proof. So yun yung pinaka-recommended na mixture natin sa mga bottle na to. If you want naman a 25% proof and semi-sweet, you mix it with 750 ml water. And then lastly, if you want it to become a 33% proof, mix it with a half liter water. So right now we have 3 flavors. Ito yung Amaretto Sour. This one naman is called the Black Russian. And then the last flavor is called Dark and Stormy. We're gonna go first with a 500 milliliter water. Mix it with the Amaretto Sour. Ayan. No fail cocktail. Straight from the bottle, you pour it onto your pitcher. Done. So let's shake it. Shake it, shake it. You got your no-fail cocktail right there. This is a 33% proof cocktail. So next naman is this Dark and Stormy. Mix it with our Barman. So again, this is Barman, guys. Again, simple as that. It's done. Tapos na to. And then lastly, this is a 1 liter water naman. We're gonna mix it with Black Russian. It's done. Ready to serve. Sobrang bilis, sobrang dali. You don't need to be an expert so that you can impress your friends kapag meron kayong gathering. Alright. So mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. So I have 3 glasses with ice. We're gonna taste them. This is called Amaretto Sour. Ayan. So konti lang muna. We're gonna taste it, guys. Wow. And then suddenly, everything seems to be calm and happy. Amaretto and citrus fruits. Ooh. And then next is the Dark and Stormy. So it's a blend of rum and flavors of ginger. Konti lang. Oh wow, very refreshing, very refreshing. And then lastly, this is the Black Russian. So we mix it with 1 liter of water. And then let's pour it. Cheers! Cheers! So ito naman Black Russian, ang flavor naman niya is a blend of vodka and it has a coffee liquor. So medyo coffee-based drink naman siya. Para kang nasa coffee shop kahit na umiinom ka ng cocktail. Wow! So there you have it. Again, this is a quick video from Tanduay Distillers. This is their newest product. It's called Barman. It's gonna be available sa mga suking tindahan. As of recording this video, they are starting to propagate sa mga groceries. If you have any specific inquiries or questions regarding sa availability ng mga product, you just gotta check out their fan page. We're gonna be flashing on your screens. 3 specific mechanics for this contest. We're gonna be giving away these boxes for 3 persons. 3 lucky winners. The first one is like this post. Number 2 is share this post with the hashtag #IWantBarman. And then lastly, comment ka dito sa post na to, itag mo yung isa sa mga friend mo. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Bye.